In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to roll back the WooCommerce version in your WordPress site. If you've ever encountered issues with a new WooCommerce update, you might be familiar with the need to revert to an earlier version that's more stable and compatible with your existing setup. Rollback can be a lifesaver in these situations, and I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First, why would you want to roll back WooCommerce? Typically, if you notice that things aren't running smoothly after an update, for example, certain plugins aren't functioning correctly or your site isn't displaying as expected, restoring a previous version can be a quick way to resolve these issues. Fortunately, WordPress offers a simple solution called WP Rollback that makes reverting plugins a breeze. Let's dive in and see how this works. Begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. From there, navigate to the Plugins section and select Add New. In the search bar that appears on your screen, type WP Rollback. This plugin is specifically designed to allow users to easily roll back individual plugins to previous versions. Once you've located the WP Rollback plugin, go ahead and install it. Installation is straightforward, just like with any other plugin. Click Install Now, wait for it to download, and when it's ready, click Activate. With WP Rollback installed, we're halfway there. Next, we need to visit the Installed Plugins section of your dashboard. This area lists all the plugins currently active or available in your WordPress site. Look for WooCommerce in this list. You might need to scroll a little to find it if you have a lot of plugins installed. Once you locate WooCommerce, you'll notice a new option. Rollback has appeared under the plugin's name. Click that link. You'll then be prompted to select the version of WooCommerce you want to downgrade to. A list of available previous versions will be presented. It's important to choose a version that you know worked well with your site. Once you have decided, select that version. Now, without worry, click Rollback. Follow any additional prompts to confirm your choice. Rolling back is generally safe for most users, as WP Rollback is designed to keep all your data intact. However, it's best practice to test everything out extensively once the rollback is complete. Check your site's functionalities thoroughly to ensure everything is running smoothly. This means taking a look at your shop page, checking your product listings, and ensuring the checkout process works as expected. And there you have it. A simple way to roll back the WooCommerce version on your WordPress site. This process helps ensure your site remains functional and efficient, especially after those tricky updates. Remember, while rolling back is safe for most, testing is crucial to avoid any unexpected issues. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.